हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम एक छोटा सा टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे, रैशनल नंबर। इट इज़ अ वीडियो अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन। इसमें जस्ट हम थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ेंगे एंड अ लिटिल मोर अबाउट द रैशनल नंबर। नाउ व्हाट इज़ अ रैशनल नंबर वी विल गोइंग टू स्टडी in this video. Okay student, so student, any number that can be represented in P upon Q form that you can see here, P upon Q form, any number which you can represent P upon Q form, that is called rational number. Okay, that is called rational number. In rational number, we example you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, all are rational number. Now you can ask me, ma'am, you are saying that all number which can be present in P upon Q form, that can be called rational number. Then why it is a rational number? You can see student here, this number you can also represent like this way: 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, 4 upon 1, 1 upon 1. This way also you can represent is a this number. Okay, that's why all this number can be a rational number. Okay student, now the important point about this rational number that I already told you is P upon Q form, any number can be represented, but Q should not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. Okay, if you write like this, it will be not defined. Okay, it is a said to be a not defined. Okay, so you can't write in 0 in place of Q. Okay student, that is the most important point according to the rational number. Okay, now the next topic which can be included in rational number, that is integer. You should already have studied integers in your previous class also, but let me tell you in a short way now what is integer. Integers means all the positive and negative numbers including 0. Okay student, so all the number which is positive as well as negative and also including 0, all that are called integer. Okay student, all that are called integers. Now student, we will learn how to represent any rational number on number line. You already know about the number line. It's like this. I can make for you. It's 0 in center and this side positive number and this side negative number. Okay student, this way you can make number line. Okay, now with the help of this number line I will show you how you can represent this 1 upon 5 on a number line. First of all, you have to convert it into a decimal form. Like if you divide 1 by 5, what you will get? You get 0.2. From this 0.2 we can easily indicate that 1.5 is lie between, in which number? It between lie between 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay student, now student, I am going to represent this 1 upon 5 into the number line. Okay, now as I already convert in this fraction into a decimal form. Why I convert this into a decimal form? Because I want to know where this number going to be lie. So as per the answer, we will get an idea that this number going to be lie between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay, now what you have to do, as you can see, the denominator is number 5. Denominator is number 5. So you have to divide the portion between 0 to 1 into 5 parts. So I will make a 4 line between them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this way you can see again I will draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see I have divided the portion between 0 and 1 into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I have to do, I have to just write the denominator in the below of that number, like 0 in between below 0 I will add 0 upon 5, then in below upon I will write 1 upon 5. Okay, now you can see a series will going to be follow in this. Okay, now student, you can see I have write this 0 point upon 5 below 0 and write 5 upon 5 upon 1. Now how this number came, you may be in confusion how this number came. First of all, you have to just write a 5 in denominator of both side. Okay, now how this number came, so you will multiply that 5 with this 0. 5 multiply 0 will become 0, and that 5 have to multiply by 1, and 5 multiply by 1 we will get a 5. This way you can write the numerator on both side. Okay, now you can see some series will going to like this: 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, next is 3 upon 5. This way you can locate the number line. Okay, of this way you can locate any fraction on the number line. Okay, like you can see 1 upon 5 here, so we can say कि 1 upon 5 we are going to be located here in this portion, in this part. Okay student, I hope you got a better idea about representation on the number line of rational number. Okay, so it is a short video. If you want a other video on any topic, अगर आपको कोई भी अदर टॉपिक का वीडियो चाहिए तो डू कमेंट एंड टेल मी. कुछ भी कमी रह गई है देन प्लीज़ कमेंट मी. आई विल ट्राई नॉट टू रिपीट such mistakes on my video. Thank you.